Problem with the world today. It's too much bullshit.
And they're not direct. If they've got something to say to you, just say it.
Why are you being mean already?
I don't really care. If you've got something to say, just say it. Don't beat around the bush. Just say it.
So
'Cause if
basically,
I've got
I'll
something
say
to
it.
say,
I already got my
just say it.
teammate.
Just say it.
100%.
Hey, Auntie, I
Yeah.
beg, give the girl a chance to speak now and relax.
What girl? What have I said?
This one.
What have I said?
I'm addressing the elephant in the room, innit?
Listen, man, I don't believe in no elephants in the
get
room.
yourself
If
up,
there's
man.
something to say, just say it. Don't beat around the bush. If you got something to say to me, I am here. Talk to my face. There should be no elephant in the room because this ain't no zoo. You understand? So if you got something to say, just say it. We're all no, I'm just saying, we're just all big people here. So if I want to say something to you, I'm going to say something to you straight like I normally do.
Yes.
If I've got something to say to Esther, I'm going to tell Esther. Whether she likes it or not, I don't really care. Andrew Tate, my son's older than him, so I don't give a damn who he is. I'm going to just say what I've got to say. So whoever don't like it, that's tough. Don't come. You
You
should
missed
be
out
here.
Brittany. I feel picked on.
Okay, so
And Brittany too, right? Even Pearl too.